Alright guys, at the end of this training you'll be able to create something like this. This is what I call fake rotation or screen rotation. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for your free stuff. There are free trainings and free things I share on this channel, so make sure you hit it so that you can be notified. Now we'll go to our Kinemaster. Okay, so don't forget to choose 16.9 for this, and then you import a black color background. So you extend it, widen it, extend it so that you can take, like, depending on the clips you want to put. So now we go to layer, to media, and bring in our first clip. Click OK and go back to layer, to media, and to bring the other clip. So you are going to do like that depending on how many clips you want to bring in to rotate for your video, for your advert. So I'm going to use just 3. So this is the last one I'm bringing in. Okay, in order not to take much of our time, all the clip goes with the same process. So you go to the starting of the first clip, the first layer clip, click on it, widen it with your two hands, please. Then you click on effect. Once you click on effect, you take you to the last part and click on the plus sign there. Then come back to the first clip and reduce it back. Make sure you reduce it back to how it was. Reduce it more. Yes, something like this. Then use that arrow top to rotate it, not totally, but this way. Then widen the clip, widen it, and click OK. If you play the clip, it will rotate this way. Okay, that's good. So you do that for the second clip also. Go to the first part of the clip, the first part, make sure it is the first part. Yes, yeah, open it wide. Yes, widen it like you're zooming it in here. Then click effect, then you go to the last part of the clip and click the plus sign up. Return it to the first. Please reduce it, just the process you did in the first time. Reduce it like it was before. Reduce it. If you make a mistake like that, just back it and then rotate it, and then open it. Then you click OK, and you do same for the third clip. Do same for the third clip. Open it, click effect by the left hand side, your effect, that round button there. Then return it to the end, click the plus sign up, the plus animation sign up, then return it to the starting of the clip. Reduce it to how it was. This one I didn't reduce it well, so I have to click the back button, then I will reduce it. Okay, so rotate it slightly like that, open it, and then click OK. So let us play the clip and see how all the clips look like from the beginning. So that's it. That's it. This is the second clip. And this is the third clip. So after doing this, you export. If you want to put in maybe some transition, when you have exported, you bring back, you split them and